this video, we're going to be reviewing the IQ-8000 by ComfyGo. It has a few unique features, one of them being a remote controller, as you just saw. This unit power wheelchair has a few different options for it. You can adjust that seat width to make it a little bit more comfortable. It comes standard with that 17.5-inch seat. You can get a 20-inch seat on it as well. And it has a couple different battery options. The standard battery is airline and cruise line approved, but with that upgraded battery, you can get up to 17 miles of runtime, while that standard only has 13 miles of runtime. You can upgrade the cushion as well to make it a little bit more comfortable. With that cushion upgrade, you get 8 different color options to choose from as well. A huge feature that the IQ-8000 has is the weight capacity. Most standard power wheelchairs and scooters come with a weight capacity of 300 pounds. This one exceeds that, hitting 330. So if you're close to that threshold of 300 pounds with a standard one, this is a really good option, giving you that extra capacity you may need. As I said earlier, this is a folding power wheelchair. It does have a few unique features. There are these buttons on the side that allow you to lift these armrests up. It makes it a bit easier moving up to chairs, tables, and desks. You can just get a little bit closer to access things. At the rear of the scooter, there are 2 neutral switches. You just push those down. Those are those orange switches, and it allows you to maneuver this as a standard transport wheelchair. It's not going to lock up on brakes on you. You can just push that around. And then the last thing is that folding aspect of it. It does have this latch back here. You just have to pull out and kind of push down on that handlebar. It will fold up and then it will rest on those back legs. A few key features to take note of is this unit does have 5 different speed settings. You can adjust that from the true remote controller or the hand controller on the unit. The unit's top speed is 4 miles an hour, so it does get pretty quick. As I mentioned earlier, the different options for the seat width does change the overall width of the scooter, and that can also change the weight. So with the standard option at 17.5 inches, you're looking at almost 59 pounds, and with that 20-inch seat, you're looking at about 62 pounds.